man, I spilled my cup of ice. The ice has started to melt almost immediately. This reminds me of the birthday party I had when I was little, and the melted wax fell on my cake as the solid wax turned to liquid. I bet if I pick up an ice cube and put it in my hand, that the ice will start to melt even faster. The extra heat from my hand is causing the melting of the solid water to speed up. Soon there'll be nothing but liquid water left in my hand. So I wonder what would happen if I added even more heat, or tried to take away as much heat as possible. While I set these two investigations up so that we can answer our question, why don't you record in your notebook everything you've ever seen melt? While you were listing all the things that you've seen change state from solid to liquid, like butter and ice cream, the water in the beaker's begun to boil. When we added even more heat with the hot plate, the water began to boil and evaporate, turning into steam and gas. We can't see the gas or water vapor in the air, but it's there. The water changed states when we added heat. I wonder what happened when we did the opposite. We removed the heat by putting the beaker in the freezer. I predict the water will be frozen solid. Yup, just as I thought. The liquid water changed states into a solid, otherwise known as ice. But wait, there's some liquid on the outside of the glass beaker. Could it be that water from the inside traveled through the glass and formed droplets on the outside? I don't think so. This glass is pretty thick. I don't think that water could travel right through it. So how did water get on the outside of the glass? Remember how we said there's water vapor in the air? Maybe when the heat was removed, a bit of the water in the air, in the form of gas, turned back into liquid water on the outside of the glass. I wonder if I were to heat and cool other liquids, if they would change state the same way as water did. I'm going to try it with orange juice next. While I experiment, turn to your neighbor and tell them a question you have that you'd like to investigate. See you next time.